To remove the door module, you first need to create access to the bolt on the door handle. Carefully remove the reflector and the rubber grommet from the door. The bolt is positioned underneath and must be removed. Then detach the door handle and disconnect the electrical connectors. There is another bolt behind the connectors which also has to be removed. You can work more quickly with a cordless screwdriver. Now remove the access openings on the door module to expose the two bolts underneath. These are easily accessible because the window gap was adjusted earlier. The bolts fasten the window to the window lifter. Loosen the bolts so that the window can be lifted up. For safety reasons, the window should be taped in place. Put padding on the adhesive tape so that no greasy residue is left behind later. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors along the wiring harness. On the speaker, on the door control unit and on the power window motor. Unclip the wiring harness from the door module at the same time. Remove the Torx bolts from the door lock so that the lock can be removed. Keep working with the cordless screwdriver and remove all of the bolts along the door module. The module can now be removed from its anchoring. Be very careful when removing the module. The module can get stuck because of all the lines and bolts still attached. The connectors which connect the door module to the door are still in place. Disconnect these connectors and guide the wiring harness through the rubber grommet. Make sure you get hold of all of the lines. The front door module is now removed.